ಇದರ ಅನುಭವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿರ್ವಾಣ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಬಿಫೆಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ supported us, or I would say my films were selected in BIFES for many years. After my films like Harivu and Pingara, which were national award winning films, I started writing, directing and producing films, in which Masanadahu Anta I wrote and produced, then Devara Kadu. This year we planned Nirvana in a Tulu language. I'm basically from Mangalore, so I thought I'll do this film in Tulu language. Nirvana is produced by myself, Avinash, and K. Manju Productions. It is a co-production film. Nirvana is mainly about a 9 months pregnant lady who is stuck in a house, single artist, one man show. Her one day experience of motherhood, from morning till evening, what she faces, her ups and downs, her mood swings, her positives of her motherhood and negatives of her motherhood. It's a purely experimental film. In the end, we say this is what you have seen, morning till evening, one day of motherhood, and this is what she faces for rest of her 9 months before giving you the birth. This is a small just what I can tell about the film.
Yeah, he said it is one man show. It is you can call one woman show or one person show.
Yeah, yeah. And the complete film is the casting is only one. There is only one artist. It's Trisha Shetty is the artist, and she's from the theatre background from Bangalore. Purely it is a festival film. I targeted showcasing it to the film festival cycle, and wrote the film. So now it is this is the first film festival where it has been selected in the Kannada film competition, and we had good response. So it will run through the film festival cycle for another 1 year, and probably releasing it in any OTTs or something.
There is a follow-up question.